Hey, amazing teachers. You know that awkward black hole between, okay, let's move on, and when your students actually move on? Yeah. That 3 minute eternity where half the class is chatting, one kid's erasing the whiteboard like it's an Olympic sport, and two students have somehow started a snack exchange? Let's fix that with one ridiculously easy trick. Put a timer on the board, not in your head, not just for a second, a big, visual, unapologetic timer that everyone can see ticking down the seconds of their freedom. Here's how it works. You announce you've got 2 minutes to transition. Hit start on a big, bold timer. Boom. Instant accountability. The magic isn't the ticking, it's the visibility. Students can see how much time they have, and that changes everything. When that little bar starts shrinking, suddenly pencils fly, papers get put away, and someone even says, "Guys, we've only got 10 seconds." It's like watching responsibility sprout in real time. My personal favorite? The free online site classroomscreen.com. Or just type visual timer into Google. Make it big, center it, and this is key. Celebrate when they beat the timer. You did it in 1 minute and 42 seconds. New record! If you want to level it up, use timer transitions as built-in brain breaks. Set 1 minute to clean up, then 30 seconds to stretch, breathe, or chat in the target language. It turns what used to be dead time into intentional time. You're not losing minutes, you're training them to use time efficiently, and you get your sanity back in the process. And hey, if you want even more no prep, low stress classroom wins, check out the CI Survival Kit. It's now got Ask a Story slides for levels 1 through 3 in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. Seriously, if timers are your new best friend, that kit is your whole teacher sport squad. Happy comprehensible input.